Good afternoon. Finally, we both father and son we are heading to Dorpatan hunting. You know, this is one of the famous tourism area. So the road is just horrible. We are just traveling with the bike. You know, there is our bike, and this is our best moment. Yeah. How do you feel? Good? Excellent. Yes. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Chora Chris, good afternoon. How are you doing? Good. Are you feeling happy? You're happy? That's great. हामी चाहिँ बाउ छोरा हामी ढोरपाटन हिँडेको ए हैन कस्तो रे छोरा वी आर राइडर हैन पछाडिको भ्यू भ्यू खतरनाक This is Dorpatan guys. We are having lots of fun with father and son, yeah? Yes? Yes. Yeah, lots of fun, yeah? काला पानी हो Good afternoon. Finally, we are on the way to Pertiban from it was very much memorable trip because of the road. You know, road is very bad condition. Like I'll never come again. Until the road will rectify, I'll never come again. There is river. It is Ganga river. You can hearing the sound, you know. The weather behind me. नमस्कार, गुड आफ्टरनुन। हामी अहिले ढोरपाटनबाट गोर्खीबान जाँदैछौँ होइन छोरो? बाउ छोरो बाटोमा कति ठाउँ लड्यो अरे? 2 ठाउँ होइन? एक ठाउँ लड्यो है। एक ठाउँ लड्यो चिप्लोले टायर